Hello there! This is Music Man 0150, also known as Gary. And yes, we are back again with more videos. And just wanted to update you on that speaker that I was working on. And as you can tell, it's playing right now. It's this gray speaker baffle that I'm showing you right now, and the speakers inside it. And as you can hear, it sounds pretty good.
73 men sailed up from the San Francisco Bay. Rolled off of the ship, and here's...
So I got the foam glued, and there's still a little tiny crack, but it doesn't even make a difference on the sound performance, which is good. And this is my new setup for the music system here in the shop, because the other system that I had, it seemed to have some problems, and I have it out in the recycle pile, which I'm going to show you in the next video. And I'm going to actually maybe bring it in one more time to test it and see if it is still bad. And if it is still bad, then I'm going to get rid of the system totally. So we will update you on that as well. So just wanted to update you on the speaker. And this is the other speaker over here. This one actually has a different driver inside. And this one sounds just as good too. Now I got both speakers on. If I stand right here in the center and move back a little bit, you can see the one on the left and the one on the right. So that's the sound system set up here in the shop. So that concludes this video, and we will proceed on from here. So thanks for watching, and more videos are coming.